Hello kids, let's learn the name of animal and their sound. Let's begin. This is a lion. This is a cow. This is a dog. This is a cat. This is a elephant. This is a horse. This is a hen. This is a goat. This is a camel. This is a bear. This is a zebra. This is a wolf. This is a tiger. Thanks for watching my video.